everyone. Today we are here with another interesting topic, kinds of sentences. Sentence. In my last video we have seen what is a sentence and what are the parts of sentence, that is subject, verb and object. If you have not seen that video, the link is in description box. You can go through it. Today we will just overlook what is a sentence and then we will start kinds of sentences. So let us see what is a sentence. Sentence. A group of words that makes a complete sense is called as sentence. When we have a group of words and that group of words is giving us complete meaning, it is called as sentence. Let us see some examples. Sky, the, in, fly, birds. So here we have group of word, but this group of word is not at all giving us meaning. We cannot understand the meaning by reading sky, the, in, fly, birds. So this group of word is not called as sentence, because what is the definition? A group of word that makes a complete sense is called as sentence. Let us see the second one. The door open, please. We are not getting the meaning, so it is not a sentence. You like ice cream too? A idea, silly, what? So no meaning in these words. So when a group of words makes complete sense, it is called a sentence. And when a group of words doesn't make a complete sense, it is not called as sentence. So let us rearrange these words and see whether we are getting the meaning. So the first one is birds fly in the sky. Yes, we can understand the meaning of these words. So birds fly in the sky is a sentence, because a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, and when this group of words is making complete sense, we can understand the group of words meaning, so it is called as sentence. So let us see the next one. Please open the door. Yes, we can understand the meaning, so please open the door is a sentence. Next one. Do you like ice cream? Yes, we can understand the meaning, so this is also called as sentence. Next one is what a silly idea. Yes, we can understand the meaning, so this is also called as sentence. But what we can see here, all the four examples are different from each other. The first one is a simple sentence, second one is one type of request, and the third one is a question asked, and the fourth one is a feeling. So here we are going to start the kinds of sentences that are in four types. There are four types of sentences: declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. So let us see what does it mean. The first one, declarative, it means simple statement. When we have a very simple statement, such type of sentences are called as declarative sentence or assertive sentence. Imperative sentence, if a sentence has order, request, command, suggestion, so such type of sentences are called as imperative sentences. Next one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means when a question is asked in the sentence, such types of questions or sentence are called as interrogative sentence. Fourth one is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence means when in a sentence it has sudden feeling or emotions, such type of sentences are called as exclamatory sentences. Let us see the definition. A sentence that make statement or declares something are called as declarative or assertive sentence. So when in a sentence a simple statement is made or something is declared, that sentences are called as declarative or assertive sentence. For example, he goes to school. A very simple statement is made, he goes to school. So when a simple statement is made, that type of sentences are called as declarative or assertive sentence. Here we have three parts, that is subject, verb and object. The subject of the sentence is he, verb goes and the object to school. We have seen a sentence has subject, verb and object. So when a very simple statement is made, something is declared, such type of sentences are called as declarative or assertive sentence. Let us see the next example. He eats a banana. So here also very simple statement is said. He eats a banana, and this sentence has subject, verb and object. So this sentence is called as declarative or assertive sentence. Remember, declarative or assertive sentence means simple statement. When very simple statement is declared, it is called as declarative or assertive sentence. Let us see the next one. I like to play chess. Very simple statement is mentioned. So such type of sentences are called as declarative or assertive sentences. The next one is English is my favorite subject. Yes, very simple statement is mentioned here. English is my favorite subject. So when a sentence is very simple, only a statement is made or something is declared, such type of sentences are called as declarative or assertive sentence. And a sentence has subject, verb and object. Note, an assertive sentence makes a statement, it ends with a full stop. An assertive sentence can be positive or negative. So the first one is an assertive sentence makes a statement. A very simple statement, when in a sentence it is made, it is assertive or declarative sentence. Next one is it ends with a full stop. A simple statement ends with a full stop. An assertive sentence can be positive or negative. Assertive sentence, it can be positive or it can be negative. In my upcoming video, we will see how to change one sentence to other sentence and what is the difference between affirmative, that is positive sentence, and the negative sentence. Here I am only going to tell you what are the different kinds of sentences. Now let us see the next type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. We have seen that imperative sentence means when a sentence has command, request, order, idea or a suggestion. Such type of sentence is called an imperative sentence. So let us see the definition. Sentences that express a command, request, advice, order or suggestion are called as imperative sentences. When in a sentence we have command, request, advice, order or suggestion, such type of sentences are called imperative sentences. So first we will see the example. Please bring me a glass of water. It is one type of request. So when a sentence has command, request, advice, order or suggestion, it is called as imperative sentences. So this sentence is an imperative sentence. The next one is come here. It is one type of command given, come here. So it comes under imperative sentences. The next one is never lose your patience. Never lose your patience is one advice given. So when a sentence has command, request, advice, order or suggestion, it is imperative sentence. Let us move to the next one. Do your homework properly. Do your homework properly, one order is given. So when a sentence has command, request, advice, order or suggestion, it is called as imperative sentences. Always remember, if a command is given, request is said, advice is given, order or suggestion, such type of sentences comes under imperative sentences. Note, an imperative sentence ends with a full stop. It tells us to do something through request, command, order, advice or suggestion. An imperative sentence always ends with a full stop, and these sentences tells us about request, command, order, advice or suggestion. Let us move to the next type of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. We have seen that interrogative sentence means when a question is asked, that type of sentences are called as interrogative sentences. Now we will see the definition of interrogative sentences. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. When in a sentence a question is asked, when in a sentence a question is asked, it is called as interrogative sentence. Let us see the example. What are you doing? A question is asked, what are you doing? So it is interrogative sentence. The next one is, can I go? You're asking one question, can I go? So when a question is asked in a sentence, it is called as interrogative sentence. The next one is, does he play every day? Does he play every day? A question is asked. So it is interrogative sentence. The next one is, where do you work? Where do you work? One type of question is asked. So interrogative sentence means when in a sentence a question is asked, such type of sentences are called as interrogative sentences. Note, an interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. It asks something, it begins with word like how, what and when. An interrogative sentence always ends with the question marks. In the last two, that is assertive and imperative sentence, we have seen that it ends with a full stop, and this interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Why it ends with a question mark? Because this type of questions are asked. In this type of sentences, questions are asked. It asks something, questions are asked. It begins with word like how, what and when. This type of words, that is how, what and when, are questioning words. So when a question is asked, such type of sentences are called as interrogative sentences. Now let us move to the fourth type of sentences, that is exclamatory sentences. We have seen that when a sudden feeling or emotions are expressed, such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. Let us see the definition. Sentences that express strong feelings or emotions are called exclamatory sentences. When in a sentence a strong feeling or emotions are expressed, such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. They ends with an exclamation mark. Here the sentence ends with an exclamation mark. In the first two we have seen it ends with a full stop. In the third one it ends with an question mark, and here it ends with an exclamation mark. So first we will have examples. First one is, what a beautiful dress it is, and sudden feeling is expressed. What a beautiful dress it is, and it ends with an exclamation mark. So such type of sentences are called as exclamatory sentences. Next one is, how melodious she sings. How melodious she sings, and exclamation marks. So such type, when a sudden feelings are expressed, such type of sentences are called as exclamatory sentence. Now let us see the next one. How beautiful this city is. How beautiful this city is. So suddenly we say such type of sentences, it is called as exclamatory sentences. The next one is, what a beautiful girl you are. What a beautiful girl you are. So when in a sentence a sudden feeling is expressed or emotions are expressed, such type of sentences are called as exclamatory sentences. Note, an exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation marks. It usually begins with what or how. It expresses feeling. So an exclamatory sentences ends with an exclamation mark. We have seen it usually, mostly it begins with what or how, and it expresses feelings. In exclamatory sentences, it expresses feelings. There are four kinds of sentences: declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. The first one is declarative, or else it is called as assertive sentence. The best way to identify declarative sentence, it is a simple statement is made. A simple statement is made. For example, if I say, I am studying in class 5. A very simple statement I made, I study in class 5. So such type of sentences comes under declarative sentences. Or else if I say, I like to play chess. I am studying in SSES high school. So when we make very simple statement, it comes under declarative sentence. Next one is imperative sentence. When in a sentence command, request, order, suggestion are given, such type of sentences comes under imperative sentences. For example, if I say, please bring me a glass of water, I am telling request. A request is made, please bring me a glass of water. So it comes under imperative sentence. The third type of sentence is interrogative sentence. When a question is asked, such type of sentences comes under interrogative sentences. For example, if I say, where do you live? How are you? So This type of sentences comes under interrogative sentence. Fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences means when a sudden feeling or emotions are expressed. Such type of sentences comes under exclamatory sentences. For example, if I say, "What a beautiful dress it is," a sudden feeling is expressed. What a beautiful dress it is. So such type of sentences comes under exclamatory sentences. Now we will have a test series and you have to identify what are the different types of sentences. I will read some sentences and you have to identify the types of sentences. So let us begin. First question, that is, Australia is the smallest of all continents. You are having options, that is assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Remember, assertive sentence means when a simple statement is made. Imperative sentence means when command, request, order or suggestions are given. Such type of sentences are called as imperative sentences. Interrogative sentences means when a question is asked. An exclamatory sentence means when a sudden feeling or emotions are expressed. It comes under exclamatory sentence. By reading this word, Australia is the smallest of all continents, what do you understand? So your time starts 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is assertive sentence. Very simple statement is said, Australia is the smallest of all continent. So this sentence is assertive sentence. The next one, be on time for dinner. Be on time for dinner. So you have to identify whether it is simple statement or command request is there or question mark is there or else exclamation mark is there. Be on time for dinner. What do you think the answer is? And your time will start 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is imperative sentence. Be on time for dinner. One command is given. Be on time for dinner. So it is imperative sentence. The next one is, I found a puppy in the street. You have to identify the types of sentences and your time will start 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is assertive sentence. I found a puppy in the street. Very simple statement was made. So it is assertive sentence. The next question is, what a bright sunny day. What a bright sunny day. Think the answer and the time will start 3, 2 and 1. So the answer is exclamatory sentence. What a bright sunny day, and a sudden feeling is expressed. So exclamatory sentences. The next one is, do you know Asia is the largest continent? Think the answer. You are having options assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. So your time will start 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is interrogative sentences. It ends with a question mark and a question is asked. So it is interrogative sentence. The next one is, can you pass this notebook to Shruti? Think the answer. So your time will start 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is interrogative sentence. A question is asked. So it comes under interrogative sentence. The next question is, isn't it a delicious cake? Think the answer and your time starts 3, 2 and 1. It is a question asked. So it comes under interrogative sentence. So the 8th question is, clean your room. What do you think? It is a simple statement or an order is given, command is given or question mark is there or exclamation mark is there. Think the answer and your time starts 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is imperative sentence. Command is given, clean your room. So it comes under imperative sentence. The next one is, I have breakfast every day at 9 a.m. I have breakfast every day at 9 a.m. So what do you think the answer is? Time will start 3, 2 and 1. So the answer is assertive sentence. Very simple statement was made. I have breakfast every day at 9 a.m. So the next question, pick up these papers from the floor. Think the answer. Is it assertive, imperative, interrogative or exclamatory? And your time starts 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is imperative. Command is given, pick up these papers from the floor. The next question is, I like to play chess with my father. So think the answer. Your time starts. 3, 2 and 1. So the right answer is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means a simple statement is made. Don't blow the horn near hospital. Think the answer. Is it assertive, imperative, interrogative or exclamatory? And your time starts. 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is imperative sentence. Don't blow the horn near hospital. So it comes under imperative sentence. Always remember, assertive sentence means simple sentence. Imperative sentence means when command, request, order or suggestion is given. Interrogative sentence means question mark. An exclamatory sentence means exclamation mark or a sudden feeling or emotions are expressed. That's it for today, students. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe my channel to know more English grammar from Suman's Academy.